guys, welcome to Life with Haleigh. I'm back with another video. If you're new here, I'm Haleigh. You can follow me on all my social media platforms that'll be on the screen, also link in my description. So today is July the 4th, 3:55, and right now we're finna go to a baby shower. Yes, on the 4th of July. I'm finna do my edges real quick. One more last question. I don't know how to look.
Good, but like that, this one looks darker and that one looks like a little lighter.
So I add more on this one.
Like on the end.
Yeah, these are my lashes. I'm gonna do my edges real quick. But we're gonna be headed to a gender review. I got on navy blue. She got on blue. I don't know when y'all getting this video because I'm still editing my church camp vlog, and I know it's gonna be over an hour. The video gonna be over an hour. I'm already at 40-some minutes, and it's only the second day that I'm on. So yeah, I always got a pimple in the middle of my forehead. My edges. It's acting up so bad, but I'm gonna show y'all my whole outfit. Every video I tell y'all I don't mind my room, but it's whatever. Alright y'all, so I got on this 2-piece navy set. I got off Shein, I guess, and I got this jacket off Shein also, this jean jacket, and then I have a Kurt Geiger purse with my Yeezys, and then this is just my outfit. I look cute. I don't have storage on my phone, like literally I don't have storage on my phone. I just did my lashes, but I don't we stopped at Bath and Body Works real quick. My mama came to get something. To get something, I might get lost. Y'all, we at TJ Maxx.
Diva left the car on.
I'm acting like the store go run from her. They close at 8.
This for the last one, which I was looking. Something like that, good, baby. is one I was gonna order online. I might get this one.
I'm not getting that out of here.
B. This is one I was gonna order online. So dang, that's the first one I want, but I feel like if I don't get this one. It's strawberries.
Okay, y'all. So now we're at Texas Roadhouse for the gender reveal thing.
Oh, this what that was.
Yeah. We don't know how many people eat.
Oh, we literally can skip right here to it.
Should I tell them?
Yeah, Haleigh. And we can just, I guess we just tell him to everybody come. Have anybody start coming in? Have anybody else came in? Okay. Okay. Hello. Not late. Yeah. We the first one here. Mm-hmm. The whole, just right here. It's like glare from that light.
Light's still right here.
No. It's not glare.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, what's up?
It's alright. Yes, it's the queen. Ooh. Man, it's why I had to rain on my day. It wasn't even raining. On the way down here, it was for the corn on Lake Dorbon. You know, it gets down and dirty down there.
Yo, corn now, what's she at?
They on the way here. Blue gotta go pick up the cupcake.
Oh, yeah, I hate that.
Y'all look at my picture.
These are mirrors tonight.
She hard to reach. You did eye out? Okay, queen.
Yeah. She makes it grow.
You know.
My y'all ate something, I did it.
Huh?
Y'all ate something, I did it.
Ain't
nobody sitting right here. I was waiting. Ain't nobody sitting over there. Can I sit right here?
Blue on her way, especially this one.
But Haleigh said, what you say, Haleigh? Haleigh team boy. I think I'm team girl.
Boy, I guess we on the right side then. I'm team girl.
Yeah.
We already got girls. So we got both.
So they boys, we girls.
Look.
Mm-hmm.
Other one.
I love your hair.
Thank you.
So what is, you know, this my real hair, gray. This is like crochet hair. It got the little string on it. This reusable, this human hair. So all I gotta do is take it out and wash it.
Is this the menu?
Oh yeah, don't for the menu.
Oh, can I have a Sprite? A Sprite?
Yeah, we can try it. But let's just get one. Which one you think? Yeah, let's try the tropical garlic.
Simone, what you want?
Okay, y'all.
It's
Grilled shrimp. I don't know if y'all can hear me.
You said Jamaican cowboy, right?
With fries and mashed potatoes.
Alright, everybody want to try my appetizers with the table? Cactus drops, really thank you. I'm gonna go grab those shrimps. That give y'all a little chance to make it. Stay already.
Yeah, how about you? You want to get the baked potato, like a load of baked potato? No, like
Okay.
can I dig you like order? Let's try to order.
Me, can I have a grilled shrimp imported? The 12 piece. And can I have fries and mashed potatoes?
No, I'm talking about
Wait, what you say?
Any gravy on that?
Yeah, gravy.
Cream or brown gravy? Roadkill. Yeah, seasoned rice,
Blue, you want to say hey to me?
you said seasoned rice.
Hey, dog.
Porterhouse. Medium well.
Hey,
Oh, I don't want rice.
Seasoned rice.
It sounds like it's good.
that was $100, and I still had to pay like $180 for to get it done. That $180. At least for free, or maybe $50.
But the reason it's not.
I thought I had fries.
Wait a minute. You had
I
fries.
Wait on this. Yeah, she had fries.
I only probably had fries and mashed potatoes.
Fries and mashed potatoes.
And I ain't trying to make it a lot, but I'm trying to. On her, she's supposed to have fries and mashed potatoes. It seems like it's almost sweet because I was supposed to have rice under these, rice with my corn, or it's rice under these. You get what I'm saying? But she's supposed to have fries with her mashed potatoes and fries. You know.
Hey, y'all, I got it wrong. I guess I was supposed to get fries and mashed potatoes with that, but
Okay, now it's quiet. What you was trying to do, Nikki?
Okay, so I'm trying to. Okay, the meat and greet for the coronation, and then that Friday I was, and I don't know for sure if they. Hey, get that strike to me.
So he don't order the bill.
This is surprisingly, it's different.
Who gonna do her makeup?
Wait.
Everybody.
One. Oh! And a knife. One. Two.
What is this, a girl?
Is she
Boy, she wanted a boy. She wanted a boy.
really wanted a boy. Yeah, she wanted a boy.
But girl, y'all.
Okay.
Ooh, do seaweed with
What kind is it?
Wilt. Yeah, but you can see it on the, I just can't do the icing in the middle, that's all right. I had to get everything on the side.
Okay, y'all, we finna leave. Yeah, I need to be on the way now. Come on in. Cute picture. Okay, y'all, I'm finna. Get this. Okay, we're finna get fireworks. I don't know. What do you want to do with this? What's the difference?
That one's bigger and it has more of the cups. This one's a smaller.
This is what it is. Is this the one that you put in the air?
Those, what you mean? The shoot? They might. I don't know. No, they say emits showers of sparks. Well, yeah, I guess so, yeah. Them the only one?
Huh?
Yeah, them probably the same thing.
Trying to take. Sure. I'm gonna drop my phone. What's that?
It's like one of the minions.
Yeah, you can get that one.
Yeah.
You want to get this? It's getting stuck to my thing. I got it. They got these over here. Y'all, I'm low key just picking stuff up. I don't even know what they do. I'm just picking stuff up. What's the difference?
Between, so I'm assuming this one gonna do, okay, they both this one has 7 shots. The one might be larger. 7 shots. Let's see.
It's 4th of July. I'm about to try to do 5:30. Where the police said they're going to police right there. This what thing look.
They got 33 shots.
What?
This one got 33 shots. I'm debating because that's actually I ain't gonna lie. This one's 69. This one's 69. This only got 12 shots.
This one.
Okay.
You gonna put this back?
Yeah, right there.
Is it in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me fool y'all. We getting all these fireworks. But I'm just see y'all when we're finna pop them and stuff because I don't want my camera to die. Because I know as soon as I get home, I'm not gonna want to charge it up. So it's gonna be quick. Let's go on with it. We finna get this about fireworks. It's 10:03. And yeah. My camera on 35%, that should be enough. But
Yeah. You gonna do it or me?
it's not gonna do it.
Like it?
Well, she lit it. So what that was is bees.
It's not done.
Yeah. I need it long enough so before I get enough time to get it away because I don't know what it is.
We still trying to figure out what's going on
I think you light it from right here.
with this.
Then I tried to do. Mine, Dad.
I don't know. We'll get that shot though. Hope we get down off in there.
Wait, is it on?
Yeah, now turn him over.
Alright.
You showing me?
Yeah. They're watching Disney.
Like, you're watching Disney.
That's not exactly what that is. I want you the big one.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Simone got it.
I gotta do mine, Dad.
Oh yeah, you're right. But better be please play
Dang. I didn't know it was gonna be this long.
I think it must burn all the way to that root.
Mm-hmm.
To the part she's holding.
Okay. Let me go. Wait.
Y'all, I should still.
Oh, bro. On my phone.
Camera. But, yeah. It is zoomed in.
Dang, how long is off?
Oh, wow. Hi. I zoom out? So, who zoomed out? I'm gonna try to like this one, y'all.
The menu?
I can't even take a picture of my. Lee, where your phone? Ooh. Y'all. What? I thought it was gonna be a simple little 1-2. Finna fall. Ooh. How many? How many is it? Y'all. Dang. Okay. Mmm.
Oh, it's in it already?
Alright.
Wait, you want to do
some
this?
there. And then we do the biggest last.
You want to do
Yeah.
this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Hey, you got that.
You got that long stem, you still scared
It's on the ground.
Yep.
That was fun.
They finna do the ice cream one. Ooh.
Ready? Bro.
I don't know what to do.
No, I ran out of storage.
I'm out of storage too.
Ooh. Hold on, what's up?
What?
Oh, that's actually kind of cool.
Okay.
Y'all.
Got more left.
Oh my god.
Ice cream.
I mean, we're like 30-something bucks. We have some going on.
That's it. Or this is like it's still going.
It's steady going.
Hey! Okay, that one worth 34.
That one worth 30, yeah.
So you just gotta pull it down.
Oopsie.
I don't know what's going.
That might shoot through some shots or something.
Ooh.
My phone's at 1. Bro, why are you doing this?
What you mean?
My phone's at 1.
Is it this?
Yeah, that's the steam right there.
And then you just light it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
My phone just died. Are you serious?
Dang!
Give me that video.
That was $9.
So my phone.
Nah, we should have got
More.
two.
You know how to Yeah.
Where's the
You gotta open it up.
oh, the actual box?
Yeah. It'll be on the top. Just make sure.
Point the right way.
Wait, it's not going down. Huh? How do you put it down?
This is what's good.
Oh.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Ooh! Got my hand up.
Oh, snap.
Ooh! This big old
35 shots.
Right here. You want it flat?
Right here.
stand.
This way it can do it.
I ain't finna do that big one. They finna do that big one. Y'all know me. Stand back here. I ain't got time. I'm finna see. Then I can't even take no pics. Cause my phone. See. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
That's pretty.
Is that recording? Ooh. Where am I still? Yeah. I burned myself a little bit. I'm trying to make sure. Okay.
You want yellow?
Yeah. I don't know that's my favorite.
Yeah. The yellow one. Which one last?
Huh?
Which end? The skinny end, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on you. This the last one, y'all. And we gotta clean up all this mess. Ooh. Yeah. Y'all, this is the last one. The last one. This went out. And we gotta clean up all this stuff. I wish we would have cleaned up after each one, so we went out all like, yo, it ain't really too much, y'all. It's just stuff like this and stuff down there. But we finna get the cleaning. I'm gonna be back to y'all whenever I get back to y'all, cause we're finna clean this stuff off the floor. I need to call. Where's the trash bag go? I guess we just put it in the brown bag.
Hey guys, I know I look a mess. Like, don't even like come on here talking about me. But it is July the 9th, and today, right now I'm finna do my edges, but today we're finna run a couple errands because I need to find like stuff for me to wear because I'm supposed to be going to Texas for like a week or something. So yeah, but I'm almost done with this vlog though, because it's like once I record this little section, then I record something. I gotta record me going to this pool party, and then it's the end of this vlog. So we're really doing good on time, and we almost at 500 subscribers. Like, yeah. I'm finna do my edges. I know y'all probably tired of me doing my edges on here, but my edges chill though because I'm Haleigh. I changed the hairstyle or whatever, but this is what I'm looking like or whatever. So I'm gonna just put on my A6 because I feel like it's the only thing that's really gonna match with what I got going on today. So yeah, my phone on 20. But yeah, y'all, basically we're like doing a whole lot of shopping to find me something because it's gonna be hot out there, and I barely got 2 pieces for real. So yeah, I'm gonna be back with y'all. Put a little lip liner on. How do it look? I'm trying to go out like the door. I tell y'all we was in the mall. I don't think I did. We're gonna go at least 21. No.
That's gonna come down soon. Would you come down?
I really like that.
got music playing in here this time.
Shirts up here.
Let me take a picture for my thumbnail. I'm gonna go on rainbows because this one I don't really got too much. They got different colors.
Them are 2 for $5. 2 or more for $5 each. So if you get 2, you're gonna pay $5 each.
I don't too much like that. Ain't my hair against. This makes take okay now. Yes, some short. What size I need?
Let's see what a small look like.
Cause this a medium.
There's a small.
A medium. I like stuff. Now why would I want to wear a skirt?
But it's this time. Definitely, you better.
I ain't even really show y'all what I picked up. So yeah. These 2 shorts. But I probably have to get another color. So I can get a basic color so it can match. I don't know if y'all can hear me because it's music playing, but I might get like what happened?
Oh, there it is. She's back there. Okay, I'm gonna hang up.
They look like the same one.
They were getting off on.
$48. $48. Oh, we finna go in Bath and Body Works, but I'm not recording because I'm tired of recording in Bath and Body Works, and I'm not getting it. Because I'm not getting nothing, and then it's just, you know. I guess I at least show what's in here that's new. Every mall vlog, I'm really eating Chick-fil-A.
You got that?
What you thought I got?
No, you got that.
Pure Cabernet Mule, my barbecue sauce. My jalapeno. I'll go record a little bit of meeting because why is it not flipping? It's the only thing I need to be recording here every time. So. What?
Yeah.
Why be having a mannequin standing with their posture like that. No, because they be standing like that.
Oh, y'all.
Hey y'all, so I done got dressed and everything. Please do not mind my sink, because I've been trying to do my edges and stuff or wherever. But I got my swimsuit on. It's 6/18, July the 11th, and it's 6/18. And this is what I got on. This is what I'm gonna be wearing to the pool party. So yeah, I'm finna leave right now. It did start at 5:30, but I'm never on time, and I didn't want to be the only one there. But I think some people are there right now, so I'm finna go ahead and get in the car and leave. So yeah, y'all, I'm in the car. I'm gonna just see y'all when I get there, cause yeah, I'm here. Ooh.
Having everything in the box specified today while making a photo again is a huge one for me.
You getting the pool or no? I don't know that because I'm home. She peer pressed me to get. You go home. Mimi.
Why not?
Hey, vlog.
Open a chime checking account in 2 minutes.
In the coop, me and my bro.
We gon' put it on him.
Everybody run bullets, flying niggas down, we gotta show them. People tell nigga that stole him, and we don't even know them. Nigga trying, I'ma blow him, right on the scene. Nigga check how I been flexing with these honeys in my jeans. I been trying to shake back, I been running, I been trying to come up with a plan. I ain't thought off as I seen. I'm in trailer at the studio and hoes running in and out. I'm sleeping on Montana car with a chop somewhere close on. I been living good on my own, I ain't no baby now. I got platinum plex around the house. I be high, I ain't worried about y'all. I drink codeine, my cup on the daily to relax. Smoking hella weed, loaded, I just bought it.
That was in like 3. I had 8 pancakes this morning.
I forgot I need to wind down my windows because I don't got no AC in this car. Oh. I knew I didn't want to Hello. You can't park. Where you at?
I'm on one.
Kaylin, you want to do that on purpose? You saw me recording.
No, I didn't know you was gonna record. Cause they be parking all over here. What is that, Jerry?
My pick when I might fly in your friend. Look, baby, I'm a real one. Better believe I don't pretend. And the way you fuck me, that just gonna depend on what I spend. Baby, daddy don't shoot outside with them diggers, huh? He know how nasty you can get without that liquor, huh? They toot it up with your face pushed in the pillar, huh? Killer, huh? I say, I said, huh? Well, like, okay, baby. Fucking with them niggas out there, baby. Little thing, bitch. 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 Don't keep a private with my business. I told her bounce that shit, and you better not stop until I nut. She a freak, she get a smile with my finger. What's up, white man? You gonna make the way she throw her ass, she must have went to jail. I don't know the drunk so well. I'm out. Who cut up the bank? I'm out. Go tell them. I ain't got no sorry. I got a low IQ. Baby, I don't sorry. I will never lie.
Come on, my cow. Make them feel it in their back, my cow. Come on, my cow. Make them feel it in their back, my cow. Hey, take them back. I ain't finished. Just like that. Now the nigga don't know. Watch the damn. Wake up. Wake on standby. Baby, make it switching up. It's the question fight. Why you fucking with me? You say you mad at me. Let me fix it. Bad ass over. Make that bitch kiss it. Kiss it. Break up. Don't be messed up. Make that boy out the end. I'm talking about that boy out the pimp.
Taking her jail card. She must be. Wait, what happened?
I'ma not tell her to sit on. Like, I get that mouth and I sit on the couch and I make her sit on it. Let's go. Yeah, I was that little nigga that could take a bitch from his bitch. Up on that man a fool if he don't leave, cause bitch can't leave a nigga alone. She called me. Baby, 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 baby. We got London. Baby, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Real hot girl shit. I need a rough nigga like a baby. When he hit the city, he gon' tap in. So I can bend your knees. Fucking with them niggas out that bag. Fucking with them niggas out that bag.
What y'all boys on?
Fucking with them niggas out that bag.
No carry out pool party. Be up that pool party. Y'all that thing, bro.
Oh, you
With this shit. Keep talking all this. I might hit you with this blick. Walking around with this 9. I'm really. I don't even know what to say, cause I'm yeah, and I'm lit. Talking all that. Run up on you, hit you with this blick. Yeah, I might be too loud, but it's okay. Hit you with this K. Now that nigga dead.
You should have said, "Not a nigga gay."
He gay.
Cannonball to the pool. I'm finna cannonball to the pool.
Yeah, I don't know if I could touch that part.
What part?
Small. Small. Y'all don't want that can.
How many times I just drop my camera? I'm breaking for real. I'm real life go.
Did you get on the west side?
So yeah, somebody ran into my car, and every time I ask anybody, they don't know who did. So yeah, I'm kind of irritated. Why I am irritated. So yeah. It's cold in here. Sit in my car. Yeah, y'all. I got my seat wet.